Hey everyone, in this video, I'll share quick tips to speed up your Shopify store so your site loads faster and keeps customers from bouncing. First, choose a lightweight, fast theme from the Shopify theme store. Avoid themes packed with unnecessary features that can slow down loading times. Next, compress your images before uploading them using tools like TinyPNG or Image Optim. Large images are one of the biggest causes of slow sites, so keeping file sizes small can make a big difference. Limit the number of apps you install. Each app can add extra code and slow down your store. So remove any you're not actively using. Use Shopify's built-in features instead of third-party scripts when possible. For example, enable Shopify's native product reviews instead of adding heavy external widgets. Reduce homepage sliders or animations. Too many dynamic elements can increase load times, especially on mobile. Finally, regularly check your site speed using Shopify Speed Report or tools like Google Page Speed Insights to see what's slowing your store down and get suggestions for improvements. Thanks for watching. If these tips helped you speed your store, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Shopify tutorials to help your business grow.